Hey everyone, we are thrilled to present to you today the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 16 2024 edition, a much-awaited laptop that debuted with a new Ryzen version at the end of February. After careful design work, the AMD Ryzen 7 8845H CPU, which is part of the Ryzen 8040 series, is installed. It's very amazing that AMD says the NPU performance is 60% better than it was with the 7840H. Let's test this potent machine's intricacies. The model we received is the Ryzen Core Display model, which has a starting price of $799, and comes with AMD's first second generation AIPC processor, the Ryzen 7 8845H. Additionally, a 1TB SSD, and 32 GB of LPDDR5x RAM are installed in this computer. The Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 16, which gained notoriety in 2021 for its Ryzen 7 5800H plus RTX 3050 combo, has remained true to its original appearance. It has an elegant, premium-feeling dark gray anodized aluminum casing, with a delicate surface finish. In keeping with its basic design, the Lenovo nameplate is discreetly positioned in the upper left corner of the A side, and is devoid of any further embellishments. The build quality is superb, with tight tolerances at the joints and strong body rigidity, a credit to Lenovo's workmanship, even though it falls beneath the IdeaPad 5 series. The notebook weighs about 1.9 kilograms, and is relatively thin, with a thickness that varies from 17mm at its thinnest to 21mm at its thickest. Considering the 234 grams power supply, the travel weight is not exactly light. However, the aluminum alloy used makes up for it. Lenovo has chosen to maintain the quality, even though this may result in the device being heavier than some of its rivals, who replace portions of the material with plastic. The laptop has a respectable number of ports: 2 USB-C connectors, an HDMI port, and a fully working USB 4 port that can accommodate a variety of connections and accessories are located on the left side of the device. It is fairly competitive among 16-inch computers because of the 2 USB-A ports, 3.5mm headphone socket, and SD card slot on the right side. A bright and fluid visual experience is provided by the laptop's IPS matte screen, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, measuring 2560 by 1600 pixels. According to our tests, the screen can achieve up to 379 nits, which is equivalent to a maximum brightness of 350 nits, and can cover 96.5% of the sRGB color gamut. Whether the screen is on or off, the three-sided narrow bezel design improves the viewing experience and makes it a pleasure to use. A 1080p fixed focus camera module with infrared capability, physical anti-peep knobs, and Windows Hello facial recognition is located above the screen. This camera module has intelligent functions such as locking the screen when the user walks away, and turning it back on when they come back. In the event that you would rather have a more conventional experience, you can disable these features. Some intriguing modifications have been made to the keyboard layout. For example, the right control key has been swapped out for a Copilot key, which only launches Windows Search in China at the moment. If necessary, we advise you to refer to online instructions to switch back to the control key. Due to design limitations, the keyboard itself is significantly narrower. Nonetheless, after a few days of use, we were able to type at a regular pace. The sizable 135 by 80mm touchpad has a glass surface for a seamless gliding experience. For a better user experience, Lenovo has also repositioned and centered the touchpad. Effective palm detection reduces unintentional touches while using a device. An 84Wh battery has improved battery life and provides strong endurance for regular chores. The laptop may be charged quickly. A full charge takes roughly 1 hour and 40 minutes. Lenovo has also included a 100-watt PD power cord to its lineup, which is lightweight and small, and makes charging on the move even more convenient. While the Ryzen 7 8845H and the 7840H perform similarly on paper, there are discernible improvements in real-world testing with regard to stability and sustained performance. Performance is marginally improved by the integrated Radeon graphics, especially in light tracing applications, but there are no significant changes. All things considered, the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 16 2024 is a well-rounded device that prioritizes performance, design, and user experience. This laptop is an excellent option for anyone who requires a dependable device for daily work or is a power user. As usual, please feel free to share your ideas and experiences in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you soon.